In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Virtual Background without green screen. If you want that clean, professional look on Zoom, without hanging a physical green screen, this is for you. Zoom can separate you from your background using software alone, as long as your device is capable and your lighting is decent. The process is quick, and once you do it the first time, Zoom will remember your preference for future meetings. Start by opening Zoom and looking at the bottom left corner of the meeting toolbar. You'll see the Start or Stop Video button. Right next to it, there's a small caret, the little up arrow. Click that arrow to open a quick menu of video options. This is where Zoom keeps shortcuts to your video settings. From that menu, open the Virtual Backgrounds area. Depending on your version of Zoom, it might be called Virtual Backgrounds or Backgrounds and Effects, and it appears as a tab in the Video Settings window. Once you're there, you're in the right place to control how Zoom handles backgrounds during your calls. Now, find the option labeled, I have a green screen. Make sure that option is turned off or unchecked. That's the key setting. Turning it off tells Zoom you don't have a physical green screen behind you, so Zoom will use software-based background segmentation instead. If that box were left on without an actual green screen, you'd see choppy edges or parts of your real background slipping through. With it off, Zoom does the heavy lifting for you. As soon as you disable that option, Zoom will apply your background without needing any fabric or special setup. If you had a background selected previously, it will continue to be used, and you should see it update immediately in your preview and during the call. If your preview looks a little blurry around the edges, don't worry. That usually improves with better lighting and a simpler real-world background. For the best results, try to face a steady light source, avoid strong backlighting, and keep some contrast between your clothing and the wall behind you. A tidy, non-busy background helps Zoom find your outline more accurately. Sitting a little farther from the wall and keeping your camera lens clean can also make a noticeable difference. If you don't see the virtual backgrounds option at all, your device may not meet Zoom's background requirements, or the app might need updating. Check Zoom's support resources for compatibility details. That's it. With the caret menu, the Virtual Backgrounds tab, and the I have a green screen option turned off, you're good to go. No green screen required.